Hey everyone, if you've just received a Visa gift card and you're eager to start using it, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to activate it, so you can shop, dine, or treat yourself without any hassle. Activating your card is crucial because it ensures your funds are secure and ready for use. Let's dive right in. First, gather what you need. You'll want your Visa gift card in hand, along with any packaging or stickers that might have important details like an activation code. Most cards come with a toll-free number or a website URL printed on them, so keep an eye out for that. Step 1. Locate the activation instructions. Flip your card over or check the envelope it came in. This will typically direct you to a specific website or phone number provided by the issuer, like Visa or the retailer who gave you the card. Step 2. Head to the website or dial the number. If you're going online, open your web browser and type in the URL. You'll be prompted to enter your card details, such as the 16-digit card number, the 3 or 4-digit security code on the back, and possibly the expiration date. Step 3. Verify your information. The system might ask for additional details to confirm your identity, like your name, address, or even a purchase confirmation code. This is just for security, so double-check everything to avoid any errors. Step 4. Complete the activation process. Once you've entered all the required info, hit the Submit or Activate button. You should get a confirmation message on screen or via email saying your card is now active. Finally, test it out. Make a small purchase online or in store to ensure everything works smoothly. If you run into any issues, contact customer support using the number on your card. They're there to help. There you have it, folks. Activating your Visa gift card is quick and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more everyday tips. See you next time.